Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Anu Simple Art and Craft. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos. Before starting my video, wish you all Merry Christmas. And today in this video, I am showing you how to make a Santa Claus. So let's get started. I am taking a fuse board and now I am coloring on it using red acrylic color and skin color. Now I am sticking some cotton using glue. I am using white acrylic color. Now I am using black acrylic color. Now I am using red A4 paper. Now I am using thermocol. Now I am making a round hole on it. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and wish you all Merry Christmas.